This is Johnston and activity 3-6, adding servers to server manager. On chapter 2, uh, I tried making sure my server core got added to this 410 server 2012.local, but for some reason it shows it as if it's there, but it didn't really stick together. So I had to change the set of commands just a little bit to make sure that all this worked out. So um, our next step right here is we're going to go into PowerShell, and see, I ended up just putting the 410 server core without the 410 server 2012.local, and that seemed to work fine. And then I also did the 410 server 2, even though on my IP config /all it see, even right here it shows workgroup 410 server 2012 and 410 server core. And when I did IP config /all, it shows it as .local here, and it looks like everything's correct. I've tried the commands over many times, but this is basically how I had to get it connected. Then the next step that we need to get to, so you need to go to manage, add servers, go to DNS. We're going to do 410 server core, add this over, and if it has a pop-up stating there's no DNS entry, you click yes, which I've already gotten past that stage. Then we're right here in dashboard, and if you scroll on down, there's our servers right here, and you'll see the 410 server core that was just added. And our next step, we can go into our server core, and I'll show you what we can do from there. Sorry, actually I meant to click this one right here. And these are all my warnings from before before I changed the command just a little bit. And right here we can go right click and go to Windows PowerShell. And I'm going to type in hostname, and it shows 410 server core. And then we're going to type in get Windows feature and press enter. It pretty much shows us everything that's installed on our server core. And now I can just minimize that for now, or close it out. And then we could also right click our 410 server core and do add roles and features. Click next twice, and there it is, 410 server core. Under the addresses here, and click cancel, and you can right click this and go to computer management. And that's pretty much all they wanted us to see here. Guess we can go to the event viewer, and we can see what events have happened. And see, we have had some errors. Actually, the warnings are the biggest ones I've seen the most of, until I was able to change that. I'm sure that there is something within the previous command in chapter 2 that was supposed to work correctly, and I've tried it many different ways that would link the .local to the regular server, but this seemed to work for right now in order to make this video.